All right, got a little update for you. We tore out the exterior wall, got rid of all the rot, and put in a new wall, and took out one window, and split out two windows for a TV wall. So check it out. I got Josh and Corey out there helping me today. So replaced all the rot down there, the seal plate underneath, all that. It looks great. We're waterproofing it outside. It's a lot of work done today. There's Corey and Josh. Say hi, guys. They're finishing up. Yes, the Lowe's is upside down. No comments on that. We know. Nobody's going.
Home Depot, it goes upright.
That's right.
It goes upside down.
That's right. Nobody's gonna know. But it looks great. We got to just do the siding next, and this little project with the rot and everything will be done and over with. We can move on to other things. So, yay!